Wood. So there is the little room. There's the big Sebastian with a big tool. Show us what you've built.
This is the nice Lackierkabine what we have just built. Most important part is this poster, because we want to believe.
We have to believe.
We have to believe.
Find it hard every day.
So now we get inside.
May I?
Watch out, Stufe.
Watch out, Stufe. Die Stufe.
Oh, die ist schon viel getroffen.
You see it here? Tell us what you
built. As you can see, nice pictures and on all of the walls.
It's art.
It's art. We call it art. Other people call it trash.
It's trash art.
So you have to watch out because there is power in here. And Strom tötet, as you all know. As there is an intake filter down here, we have an output filter here, and it's already very full.
Is it full? Yeah, because we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's the Lackierkabine.
Tell us, Sebastian, what do we have for instruments? What do we?
So we have the SG model right here.
I'll include the link because we're selling it.
It's made from Gabriel, all his own work. Then there is this
Satanistic piece of shit.
Yeah,
we just want to get rid of it.
it's not finished yet. As you can see, there are no strings attached.
No strings attached.
As you understand.
Yeah, yes.
Then we have a project. It looks nice right now, but it's gonna be a very much nicer model later on.
And there we have a short scale bass. One day it's going to be done, I think. We have a P bass, a fretless one. We built it. Please take a couple of beautiful takes of it. It's all A-horn and I don't know what the fuck is that for wood. Eibe, we call it in German, but it's great sounding. Now we need a cable. Show them. We got EMG pickups because I'm too lazy to solder my own electronics. Yeah. And we can plug it in. I guess this needs electricity. It's an electric bass. Are you still filming? Yeah, talk. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh. Horn. Master. Gain. There we go, little children.